The content on this channel has been created for adults. If you're not at least 13 years of age or older, then please do not watch this content. Sorry, dude. Come back when you're 13. What's up, family? Welcome back to the channel. This is Off Tap Life. I'm Faith Chase, aka Crossifex, aka Chosen Effect, back on the deck, getting back to set. And don't you forget, always a pleasure, my beautiful, beautiful souls, to be rocking and rolling, connecting with all of you. Guys, we are back with another request. This one is from Lazuna. You guys know Lazuna, part of our family. What's up, girl? How you doing? Much love to you, Lazuna. And Lazuna wants to hear Queen rock and roll medley from London, 1977, in June of 1977. This is a 2018 Chief Mouse restoration from a year ago or something. So this is the one she wants me to do. We're going to check out this version without further ado, because when they say Queen, I say, okay, let's go. Anyways, let's check this out, guys. This is going to be good. I already know it. She's got a shout out here. It says lots of John for Deaky. Well, more John than usual for sure. So there you go. So Deaky, there you go. More John for you. There you go. So yeah, guys, look, we're going to check this out. And without further ado, for me, for Lazuna, for all of you, man, you know what? Let's just enjoy this. Let's just enjoy this. Let's go. Let's go. Let go.
Everybody rock and roll! straw. Keep dancing to the day last straw. Keep dancing. Keep dancing. Come on. It's all yours. Take it. Come on. Dancing. Keep dancing. Keep dancing to the day last straw. Keep dancing to the day last straw. Keep dancing. Keep dancing. Dance, dance, rock and roll all night, all night, all night, all night, all night, all night. You,
Going nuts. Thank you. Thank you. We really had a good time. I just hope it's come across. Yeah. All right. We're gonna lead. Bye bye. Keep swinging, keep rocking, keep shaking all night. Yeah. Bye. Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye bye. Ooh. All right. Oh. Stupid kid. You're a winning guy. Oh, you can try. Ooh, it's a crying shame. Stupid Cupid, stop playing that game. Hey, hey, set me free. Stupid Cupid, stop playing that game. We all know that she's my lady. We all know that she's going crazy. We all know that she's going swell. We all know that I got a baby, baby, we got all. Everybody run and roll. Thank you. God bless you all.
Sweet dreams, everybody.
I think the audio kind of cut out at the end there. Wow. That's nuts. What? Holy crap. That was crazy. What? Time to look for some more information here. What can we see? What does it say? Nothing. I'm trying to figure out what's happened to comments on all these things. Why can't I see any comments? I don't know. Lately, it hasn't been working. Oh.
Now then, we're gonna do...
Alright, so anyways, that was cool. That was interesting.
Nice,
that was
tasty little
exciting.
medley for you.
What the freak's going on with
Just
my
like the one we
system, dude? Seriously.
The other day, yes.
Oh my
We're gonna
gosh,
start
stop
off
it.
with a little segment from a...
Dude. Unbelievable. Put a stop to that. Ah, yeah. Anyways, that was freaking crazy. Really cool. Taking a lot of the classic kind of rock songs and throwing them together in a little medley. Like, that was dope, man. I think it's one of those things that, like, you know, Queen just, they actually, I think they were one of those groups that paid homage to the greats that come before them. You know, they like to show them love. Doing a medley like that not only does that, but it also is great for your audience, because your audience would have people in there that grew up loving those songs and stuff as well. And then you mix that into your live, and then boom, man, you get it just gets a good pop. It's one of those moments where you can get a good pop, man, with the crowd and the audience and everything. Just good energy, good vibe, a lot of fun. That was crazy, man. I can't explain, you know, like, I don't know, for me though, I gotta say, like, I think that when you taking those older songs, those classic ones like that, and you bringing them like to a new generation of people, I personally think that is so cool. Like, it's just the coolest thing you can do is just keep introducing music to new people. It's like the gift that keeps on giving. And I think that's what we do every day on this channel. I mean, you guys are sharing your vast knowledge of all these great artists. You're sharing it. We're freaking, you know, going on this magical experience regularly. And it's just really cool. I would have never ever heard stuff like this if it wasn't for you guys. I wouldn't have. I mean, the odds were against me, you know what I mean? Because there's just so much music out there. So much music. I would need 5 to 10 lifetimes to try to go through everything, you know what I mean? To find this stuff. So really a cool experience, really awesome. I enjoyed it. Freaking thank you very much, Lazuna, for the awesome request. That was dope. That was freaking dope, man. I mean, look, you already know it's gonna be dope. When you got Queen in the name, it's gonna be dope. Queen only had one setting. It was dope. You know what I'm saying? They didn't have another setting. It was like, yo, we're just gonna do what we do. How do we do what we do? Dope. I love it. I love it. Man, I didn't I think one of the songs I recognized obviously in there was Jailhouse Rock, I think, was in there. Elvis Presley. And I wouldn't mind, like, I think I asked this in another video, but like, do you guys want to hear any Elvis reactions? Like, I wouldn't mind going through a couple of the big Elvis ones maybe, if you guys are into it. I mean, look, I've got 30 channels. We could delve into the Elvis rabbit hole. Let me know in the comments if that's something you guys want to hear. Anyways, guys, that was a lot of fun, and thank you guys for rocking and rolling with me. As always, remember to live each moment to the fullest and keep it off tap. In case I don't want to freaking fall and drop everything on film, that just sucks. Alright guys, we're gonna do a little mission right now. Alright, this is just for you guys. We gotta get out of here!